Behind every soldier's courage is a family's love and sacrifice. We celebrate the strength together. A special day dedicated to our brave soldiers and their beloved dependents. Here at the 2nd Infantry Jungle Fighter Division. Army Cares is our commitment na hindi kailanman nag-iisa ang ating mga sundalo. It's all about joy, support, and inspiration. Ang tunay na lakas ng hukbong katihan ay hindi lamang nasa sandata, kundi nasa malasakit, pagkakaisa at dedikasyon na maglingkod sa bayan.
A soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon.
Private Andrea Luisinola, Philippine Army Reserve from 4th RIBI and Bravo Company. So, sabi ko lang po sa experience ko sa Army Cares po, complete naman po sila. And overall, accommodating naman po. So, salamat po lahat sa Army Cares.
Hoping you sense the love I share.
It's a community celebration. Shows how powerful we are when we work as one. Every soldier and every family reminds us why we serve, why we continue to give our best for our country.